Hello and welcome on this new extended deeper analysis video on the gold from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm happy to say that my gold signal has indeed went in the right direction as I have predicted. But of course hasn't been triggered, but at least it almost kissed our take profit level. I even actually have notified my followers here on Telegram channel to be actually aware of this signal, that it actually almost kissed our take profit level and we should not enter it again if it reached the same sell level. So that's the reason I'm telling you, my friends, it's really important to stay connected to Extreme Trader team and join our free Telegram channel, Extreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. It will be very helpful for you, and of course it's free of cost. You can just join for free. So now what's next with the gold? That's the question. From my point of view, the gold, my friends, most likely is going to continue the fall. Let me just now delete the old signal and see what we can do next with this one. Actually, I don't want to delete all because we have the silver also here. And by the way, silver signal is also going in the right direction but hasn't been triggered. Anyway, back to gold. Now, as you can see here, based on daily chart, we still have here a strong bearish movement, and also the gold is still respecting this level of a key resistance right here at 2,666, actually 2,666. So what does that tells us? It tells us that the gold is still actually respecting indeed that level of a previous level of a resistance trend line, as we have stated earlier in the previous weekly analysis video. We actually said that the gold here respecting this level of a resistance trend line, which also became a supported trend line. Then after this random movement here with high volatility, of course, due to the tension happening in the Middle East and the escalation of the war between Russia and Ukraine, the gold has actually been moving here randomly, affecting all of us. But recently the gold finally is moving back toward our or actually respecting our analysis. So now what's next with the gold? So we cannot even forget that we have here, of course, a head and shoulders pattern, which confirms a possible continuation in the bearish movement. And that tells us that the gold still has a chance to continue the fall, at least to retest the broken level of a resistance right here at 2,586, which means the gold still has around 416 pips more to go before it actually might make any further movements. So now what we can do next with this pair? Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here on the 4-hour time frame is gonna be fun to trade or actually to analyze the gold, because first of all, what we can see right here is a very clear level of a broken support trend line, right? So we actually have been waiting for this 4-hour time frame candle to be closed as a bearish breakout candle, and indeed that happened finally. So we have here a strong supported trend line that indeed has been broken out from. And don't forget that the gold right now is actually reversing upon the pressure of the support at the zone of 2,624, which means the gold right now has a chance to continue the rise, retesting of course the broken level of a supported trend line to create a new resistance trend line, and afterward might actually continue the fall toward our take profit level at the support at 2,586. But we need more kind of confirmation on that. So as we can see here, we have another level of a resistance trend line. That is very important, because here this is actually one of the good setups. When you have a resistance trend line, especially on a downtrend, facing here a fake breakout, not only once but twice, and that's actually good because it means that you can resell the gold again exactly at the same level of a real resistance trend line. So what happened here is we have, of course, a resistance trend line, faced here a fake breakout. We can see here a small reversal happened, representing, of course, a supported trend line. But after that, the gold instantly made a bearish breakout from that level, also became here as a resistance trend line, not only for once, but for twice. Then after that, another fake breakout. And that tells us that the gold every single time breaks out from this level of a resistance trend line is unable to create a new support trend line. So instantly breakout, another instant breakout. So that means that we can wait for the gold to rise again, reaching the exact same level of a resistance trend line, and afterward we can short the pair. So by looking at the left side right now, we can see here clearly that we had a real level of a resistance as well. So right here exactly at 2,600, actually let's make it at 2,640. even better. So 2,640 is going to be our next level to resell the gold under a lot of pressure from the broken support trend line, the resistance level, then the resistance trend line. Most likely the gold will continue to fall toward our take profit level, and that means that our safe zone in this case should not actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance at 2,657. So meaning our safe zone will be ranging for around 180 pips against 534 pips of profit. And there goes our new deal on the gold, my friends. And again, please don't forget that you have seen me, guys, winning and losing. We win and we lose. Losing, of course, is part of this business. So we are doing, of course, the best we can to provide you with the best signals. I have done my part analyzing the gold in the best way possible. So then now the rest is on you to trade the signal carefully and wisely. And you should always be ready and prepared for any potential losses. And remember, just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable signal. Always there is a chance that any signal that you are receiving on YouTube might fail. Always remember that Forex is a very risky business and you can never expect a winning every single time. Also, don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If I notice that the candle is moving against our direction, I will update you right here to expect the next sell or to close it in a small loss or even in partial profit. So stay connected to Xtreme Trader team, and I hope I will see you there. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.